We look at OpenAI's approach of everything's locked down, no release of the weights, no release of the code, working closely with the government, versus Zuckerberg and Meta AI's take, which is release it all out there, open source everything, open source the weights. That is the best. I lean towards that as being the optimal approach, and I agree with the logic behind it. So essentially, Zuckerberg and Meta AI team says the idea that private companies are going to be able to protect their weights and their code
Yes.
against espionage from foreign adversaries
Yes.
is a silly notion. We've never been able to do it, and it really only takes one slip up, right? You only need to have one lapse in security to lose your
Yep.
weights. And so with that thinking, why do we think things are going to be different now? Why do we think that a private company is not going to have any human error whatsoever? Because that's really what causes it. So I'm very much about. I very much appreciate the open source approach, which is okay. Everybody will just have the weights, and that'll make the systems more hardened, more secure. I just really like that approach better. Plus, I like downloading the models and playing with them on my computer. What do you think,
Yeah.
Daniel?
I think you're absolutely right. I was very surprised by Zuck's like analysis there, but again, having seen these startups and consulted for their security programs, they're absolutely he's absolutely correct. It is really hard to secure anything, let alone a thing that a state actor actually wants. And they will use anything to be able to get that thing, including getting people hired, including like, yeah, just all sorts of spy stuff. There's just no chance of securing the stuff.